Hey guys, it's Wendy from Fab Craft Some More, and today I got my Cricut February Mystery Box, and I'm going to unbox it for you. So, it came in this long box because I believe there is one of the long mats in there. So, get rid of that paper. All right, so let's see what we've got here. We've got the Cricut Basic Brite Sampler Vinyl, and this is regular vinyl, so it's good for indoor projects. It's not going to be totally permanent, but it should last a good long time on indoor projects that aren't seeing the elements or really getting a lot of hands-on type things. So what have we got here? It looks like we have yellow, blue, and red. Okay, down here it's going to tell us 3 sheets, 12 by 24 inches, and the red is called Cranberry, the yellow is Sunshine, and the blue is Azure. Nice. All right, so we've got that. Then it looks like we've got sort of a plethora of green before St. Patrick's Day. So this is going to give you lots to work with for St. Patrick's Day. We've got 2 iron-ons and 1 glitter vinyl. So let's talk about the iron-on. Let's see here. They're both glitter iron-on, and they're very similar in color, but let's see here. We have glitter green and glitter jade. So those are going to look super nice on your St. Patrick's Day projects and other projects. They're really pretty colors and so sparkly. All right, so then, let's see how big they are. So this is going to give you 12 by 19 inches on both of these. So that's a good size. You can get a lot of little shamrocks out of those. We've got the glitter vinyl. So again, this is just a vinyl. It's not an iron-on. It's also not meant to be used for outdoor purposes. This is 1 roll. This is 12 by 48 inches. So this is actually pretty long. And the color on this is also glitter green. So nice and sparkly. You can make some little shamrock stickers for your friends. They can stick them on their shirts on St. Patrick's Day so they don't get pinched. And all right, let's see what else we've got. We have here the Everyday Collection 10-pack of pens, and these include silver, gold, and black. And the black are all fine point, and the silver and gold are medium point. I don't know if you can see that there. They say on the end. So storing your Cricut pens, it's good to store them upside down so that the ink stays at the tip. So when you go to grab it and put it in and use it, you don't have to wait for the ink to go down or risk starting a project and having it not write correctly. So storing your pens upside down, this allows you to see the color and what size tip it is. So the fine tip on the black is a 0.4 and the medium tips are 1.0. So that's awesome. Okay, so here we have the multi-pen set in black, and this is going to give you a variety of sizes. So down here on the bottom, it's got F, G, M, C, and C. So that gives you the fine point and let's see, a medium point, and it also has the calligraphy pens. So that's really cool. So you can write in a calligraphy style and not just the fine point. So that's going to be fun. I can't wait to try that. So there's that, the calligraphy set. And next we've got some really great bright colors for spring of poster boards. And there's some project ideas on the back. The poster boards are always really good for little gift boxes. And I am really liking these cute little paper animals. So, ooh, and there's a unicorn in Design Space, a couple. I think there's like a deer and a unicorn in Design Space that are these like 3D stand out wall designs. And that would be really fun too. So you could also use these for like little cupcake toppers. So you could cut out cute little sayings, or if you know your son or daughter is turning a certain age, you could do like a number 2 and put it on like a toothpick, glue it on a toothpick, and then stick that in the top of the cupcake. This would be a good material for that because it's pretty. In fact, let's open it and see what the stiffness of this is. They also show making some earrings out of this. If you guys have little girls that love earrings, you could make them all sorts of sizes of earrings. Oh, so yeah, this poster board, you know, it's flexible. So I don't know that it would be a good choice for like a cake topper, but definitely you could do numbers or shapes. You know, if you have a boy and he wanted dinosaur shapes on the cupcakes, you could totally do that. So those are, and they are really nice, bright colors there. There are 6 sheets in here, 12 by 12, in blue, green, yellow, pink, teal, and purple. Fun. And then, okay, I don't know if I've got to like run this under here so you can see how long it is, but this is the Strong Grip mat, and this is the 12 by 24. All right, very cool. And that is what we've got for the February mystery box, which it's February, but it's going into March. So they send you things that you can use for your next month's projects. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and hopefully you've either already received your mystery box or it's on its way. Or if you haven't ordered one, there still might be some that you can order on the Cricut website. So you can just go to the Cricut website and type in the search mystery box, and it'll come up with the link to the page where you can order it. So, all right, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the February Cricut Mystery Box. If you liked what you saw, leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to the channel.